How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to turn off dark mode on Instagram, then make sure that Instagram uses your device's default mode settings in order to make it dark mode or light mode. Meaning, if your device is set to dark mode, then Instagram will automatically be in dark mode. And if your device's settings is set to light mode, then Instagram's user interface will be in light mode. So if your Instagram is in dark mode, then it basically is because your device's settings is set to dark mode. So in order to disable dark mode on Instagram, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the display and brightness option you see there, and further tap on the light option you see there. And with this, your Instagram will no longer be in dark mode. So this is how you can turn off dark mode on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.